My name is David Burns. I'm a professional videographer, editor, and media production professor. In a previous tutorial, we discussed how to shoot a visual sequence to use in a story. In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to edit those sequences into an effective storyline. The effective use of basic sequencing of visual clips is a foundation for good storytelling. Sequences condense time, maintain the viewer's interest by providing a variety of shots, and they provide context and detail for advancing the story. I like to think of a single visual shot as a complete sentence or thought, and a series of shots as a paragraph. Effective visual editing uses wide shots, medium shots, and close-ups to weave a coherent storyline. The human brain prefers to process images first by taking in a wide vista, then segmenting that wide shot into smaller areas of interest, and lastly, by examining the details in the scene. Alfred Hitchcock, a well-known producer of many psychological thrillers, often started a scene with a close-up or extreme close-up to initially confuse the viewer and to start an internal dialogue in the viewer's mind. What's happening? Why am I seeing this? This is an effective way to capture the viewer's attention. But since it involves disrupting a natural human need, the need for context and meaning, it also means the viewer will not be listening to other messages you might be conveying to the viewer at the same time. So if your goal is to present context and information at the same time, stick with the traditional wide shot, medium shot, and close-up sequence to effectively convey meaning to your viewer. When editing a visual sequence, keep the pace moving with a series of edits that use a variety of shots, various camera angles, and many, many close-ups. Take several seconds to establish the scene with a wide shot. Bring the viewer's attention to a portion of the scene with a medium shot. Then provide detail of the action using close-ups. Close-ups are the key to good storytelling. Your story should have 4 to 5 times more close-ups than wide shots or medium shots. When editing, be very conscious of jump cuts, a disruption of continuity in action that confuses the viewer or violates a rule of time or logic. Close-ups help avoid jump cuts since they only show a small portion of the overall scene. Jump cuts can be used effectively to purposely disorient the viewer. Here's an example. See how a jump cut disrupts continuity and disorients the viewer? Editing visual sequences into your stories allows you to efficiently and effectively condense complex actions into a few shots and keeps the viewer's interest by presenting a variety of shots and angles. Using visual sequences also allows you to satisfy or manipulate the viewer's human desire for context and detail. Good luck and have fun.